Hello everyone. In this video we'll see how to use Blink application with Node MCU. So let's get started. So for this project we'll need Node MCU board, 2 channel relay board, 2 bulb holder and few wires and 2 bulb. So this is the connection diagram for our project. We will be using D0 and D1 digital output pins of Node MCU which is connected to the input of the relay board. So let's do the connection as per the connection diagram. So here I will connect Node MCU board to the relay board. So here as you can see I have connected D0 and D1 to the relay input. So let's see the software part now. You can either search the library in the Arduino or you can download the library from GitHub. So I will just download the zip file and I will add the zip file in the Arduino. Copy this path and browse the path in the Arduino. Go to the sketch, include library, add zip file and select the library. Library is added successfully now. Now we'll go to the now we'll see the examples. For that we'll go to the file, examples, check for Blink. So here it is, and select the appropriate platform type. So in our case the type of boards is Wi-Fi. So go to the board Wi-Fi and select the Node MCU. Here we go. This is the code for Node MCU. We don't have to add any logic here. As we can see here, a few lines of code written, but in the background all the logic is handled. We just have to configure the pins in the Blink application. So let's configure the application now. Click on new project. Now we'll give some name to our project. Select the board type. Here we'll select as a Node MCU. Click on OK. And connection type will be Wi-Fi. Now click on create. You will get the authentication key on your register mail. So the authentication token will be like this one. So we'll use this token in the code. Now we'll add few widgets in the application. Click on the plus sign to add. First user will get some energy points and they can spend the energy points for controls or widgets we can say. So here we will be using buttons. So let's add 2 buttons for relay and we'll add one more button to control LED. Now we'll configure the buttons. Click on button and select the pin number. Give some name. Select the pin number. Now select the another control. So here we'll configure the button. So we can change the font size. We can change the logic level. We can change the behavior of the button as well. So let's assign the pin number to the button. Click on pin and select the pin number which we want to assign. Click OK. Likewise, we will configure the another button as well. So in our case, we'll be using D0 and D1 for the relay switch. For the relay, here we will give some name to on and off state. In my case, I will give the name as a on for logic 0 and I will give off for logic 1 because my relay board is active low. So same thing is applicable to another button as well. We'll copy the authentication token and we'll paste the authentication token in the code. So paste the code here, change the SSID and password and compile the code and upload the code to the Node MCU. So let's see the demo now. Please like, share and subscribe for the channel for more videos.